GM. Hello. 2 secs, boys. Hope you're well too. Two seconds, boys. Good day to you, man. I'm early. Give me 1 second, boys. I'm early though. There's a reason why I'm early, should I say? Hopefully you guys had a good weekend. What did everybody do the weekend? What did you boys do the weekend? 2 seconds. Let me just post the Discord link. You guys know if you're new here, you want access to the Discord, you can get it. Another week of the 9 to 5 starts. Okay, Pat. At least we're acknowledging that. What can we do? You know, are we grinding? Are we buying crypto? What can we do? The most important thing is, the sad face is there. That's fine. But what can we do? Because accumulating, perfect. Awesome. I love to see people accumulating. Let me lock in here. So predicament is, I'm early for once. Predicament is, have to leave at 2 p.m. before the market opens. Or the market opens I like to trade on. Why? I've got so many fucking onboarding calls. If you think I'm lying, I will show you, because I show you everything. With Parker, there you go. 2 p.m. onboarding call. So I'm not lying. And I knew after that onboarding call, I wouldn't come on live. Because these onboarding calls, it's first time locking in with a new member. It can take a couple of hours, right? So our brain uses quite a lot of energy on these calls. So hopefully you can understand. But I'm going to be here earlier. I'm going to look at some trades. Hello from Michigan, accumulating, bro. I worked out, cooked, cleaned, and started reading The Richest Man in Babylon. It's been a long time since I've read that book. I think I should go and read that again, because I remember reading that in Thailand. If you guys have a question about trading DeFi, I'm going to try and do some trades, believe it or not. Although I'm a little bit behind, but if you guys missed last time trades, I'll show you where we were at. Because there's always guys that say, and by the way, I'm not the best trader in the world, fuck's sake, we're still learning, you guys all know that. Done well. We made about $300 or $280 in the last couple of days, which is nice. For once. Good news is, I've got another Brucey bonus. If you guys are using BitUnex, it's mystery box time. Anybody in chat got a mystery box today? Anybody in chat know what a mystery box is? Monday's the best day for BitUnex. Let's lock in. So if you don't know what a mystery box is, every single week BitUnex give a special little bonus. So I like to sometimes, if I have time, open it live on stream. Now this completely depends what level you're at. I think everybody gets one, but like your prizes are completely determined. Yes, I'm explaining. Your prizes are completely determined what level you are at. I'm at level 1. There's level 7. If anybody's at level 7, like the guaranteed prize I think is like $1,000 or maybe $500, but it's up to like 10,000. Level 1s, I believe, it's up to $100 every single week, which is like a free piece of money, right? I've made a decent amount on this. I can show you in a second, but let's open the mystery box together. And I'm almost at level 2. So let's see what we get. Open weekly 100% win rate. Got it. Did I get anything? What did I get? What did I get? Free discount voucher? What the fuck's a free discount voucher? Hold on a minute. Usually I'm getting money. Free discount voucher? Oh, I get a discount on fees. Okay, that's okay. I prefer money, but whatever. It's okay. So yeah, that's one of the reasons why I like using BitUnix. They're always giving away money, although a free discount voucher kind of sucks. But I guess it's technically saving money, etc. I'm still in the big lottery ticket one. I've got 58 tickets. That should be interesting. Let me just show you, if I can, the reward histories. You know, there's $1 here, $5 here. Like I said, every single week. Obviously, depends what level you're at. You get more. That was a good one. $40 there. $2 here, $25 here, $60 here. Every single week for doing nothing. So it's pretty sick, to be honest. You think? I mean, what do you mean? What do I think? Do I think it's cheap as a DCA? Do I think it's cheap to trade? That doesn't make any sense. So yeah, let me know what you mean about showing you Cardano. Do I think it's good for a liquidity pool? There's so many questions you can ask there, right? But yeah, let's go back and look at some trades. I have 40 minutes, so I do have some time. Issue is market hasn't opened when I would like, but here we are. Let me have a look at the Discord as well real quick. A lot of new guys coming in, which is good to see. Nice friendly vibe. Like I said, I did add a DeFi list, which is kind of cool. So guys that want to learn DeFi, etc., can come in the DeFi part. Me, Parker, are trying to post there as consistently as possible, and it's a nice place to be. Like I said, it's a fucking free Discord, where I'll actively, as you can see, answers people's questions. So loads of guys wanted us to do DeFi. We added DeFi here, even though it was supposed to be just trading. But again, if we can give something back, it's absolutely fantastic. So in the last 24 hours, we've had over 20 members, which is cool to see. So again, we're almost at 1,000 members. There might be a little surprise if you're in this Discord before 1,000 members. That's all I'm going to say, but there might be a little surprise, and I can check. We added DeFi, fantastic. A little surprise, that's all I'm going to... Can nobody hear me? Did my mic go? Don't tell me my mic went. Did my mic go? Did my mic go? Did my mic go? Let me know if you can hear me. I don't know why I can't hear myself. Please let me know if you can hear me. Audio is gone. Why did the audio go? What happened? Oh God, what a disaster. On and off. Let me know if it's working before I waste more time speaking. Fuck's sake. No way. Why is the audio whack? I can hear you. It's working now. We can hear you. Well, see, when somebody spams, I can't hear you, it fucking freaks me out. Audio is fine. I can hear you. Okay. Nobody spam that, please, because that really just ruins the stream, because I'll fucking immediately check. Anyways, let's look at some trades. Like I said, Discord links there, free to join. We are talking about DeFi in there, which is cool to see. I will try and answer as many questions there as possible. It's working fine, good. And again, there will be a special surprise if you're in there before 1,000. So a lot of members were over the weekend. I think we picked up close to 100 over last weekend. That was really refreshing to see. A lot of newbies in there, a lot of veterans in there. Post your wins, guys, post your wins. I don't want to be the only guy posting wins. I want somebody out there to fucking post some big boy wins. Anyways, what have we got? Market, like I said, is opening in an hour. Like I said, I'm going to be on that onboarding call in 1 hour, so it is what it is. I am not going to be able to open live trade UTC -5. But I'm going to have a look before, and I might, here's the Brucey bonus, I might come back on a live stream after to show some trades, because I'm guessing what's going to happen is I'm going to open some trades. I'm going to have to go. The trades are going to stay open, and then I can maybe come back, or I'll post on the community wall or on the Discord, etc., how those trades went. It's tripping. Come and goes. Stop it. Don't say that. Just cool to see. I will try now. Anyways, so here's our current setup as always. This we're ignoring right now because we're not going to be on time. This we're going to stick to. This we're going to try and stick to. This we're going to try and stick to. And this we always stick to. Number 7. Let me know if you know what this means. It's kind of a little joke, but sometimes, if in doubt, you can use your little friend, Mr. M. I'll show you what that means in a second. Anyways, where are we at? We are in some chop, which is never good on the 5 minutes. Ethereum is in confirmation of red. This is a problem about trading before UTC -5. When the market opens, I'm expecting Monday morning, New York time, massive volatility in the market. So trading before this is kind of risky, but I'm going to do it anyways. Come and goes. Stop the audio claims, man, please. You just ruined the stream. Anyways, so on the 5 minutes, we've got Bitcoin green and red, so no confirmation yet on the 5 minutes. Ethereum is red, but I'm looking at Bitcoin right now, so I'm not really interested. Solana, again, is the same as Bitcoin. I'm not really interested right now in the 5 minutes. XRP, not too long ago, was nicely on green. You'd be in a little nice bit of profit there. SUI is the same as Ethereum. It's interesting. Bitcoin, Solana, well, apart from Bitcoin, really, XRP is green, Solana is red. Okay? So, if we look at the minutely, let's have a look. SUI's red. XRP's just went green. Now, if we scale this back to the 5 minutes, what we noticed was XRP was very much in green. If we scale this to 50 minutes, it's still in red. So again, this could be an early confirmation to catch an entry trade on XRP. Gold is flying today. Yeah, I need to see a lot of people trading gold, man, in like the stock, even the Forex niche a little bit, although it's obviously not currency. To some people, store of value, currency, whatever. But I see a lot of people talking about gold. And Bobby mentioned to us a couple of streams ago, if you remember, he's trading silver and he's finding some great success in that. So I'm not opposed to doing that. I don't even know if you can do that on BitUnix, but we might add that to the list. Ignore the trolls. Yes, I've realized. I like to disrespect the trolls in a friendly way, but audio trolls, nobody likes, nobody likes that, bro. That's just stupid, bro. You know, call me out for being a shit trader, being a terrible YouTuber that shows you everything, but don't say there's no audio, bro. That's just stupid, bro. Okay, everything on the 50 minutes is red, which is interesting, right? And it's interesting to always go and check the weekend. I know we're not in the stock market here, but it's nice to see where stuff closed on Sunday and Saturday. Gary, back again. Either I'm going deaf or you're dropping in and out of sound. Really? Stock market here. Fuck's sake. Maybe I need a new mic. I will buy a new mic. This mic is very shit. Okay, I'm unplugging one of my cables. Maybe I'm lagging. Fuck's sake. Because I can always trust Gary, because he's not a troll. If there's a little bit of lag here, my bad. It's maybe because I've got so many tabs open and the internet is kind of shit today. I don't know why. Blame the countryside. But hopefully, guys that can hear it, we're going to do our best. We're going to do our best. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Sound is okay in and out. I don't know why it's in and out. My bad if it's in and out. Hopefully you can deal with that. But Gary never trolls me though. Gary's not a troll. Troll me about something else. Troll me about the fake Lamborghini. Troll me about the fucking fake watch. Don't troll us about the audio. Sound is lagging. Yeah, I think the sound is lagging. So nothing I can do about that. It's just what it is. Anyways, where were we? So I'm looking at potential minute trades on XRP right now. No worries, no worries, no worries. But I'm also very cautious of in an hour time, which is, I'll draw it so we can come back to this. Maybe if I do a live stream after. This is our deadline. Okay, this is our deadline on Bitcoin and obviously our altcoins. This is when the market opens for me. That's what we're going to do. So that's the problem right now. When we hit this line, every confirmation on our red, on our GG indicator could be total invalid, right? This is the only problem because when the market opens Monday, as you know, or you should know, the big boys come in, which is a big fucking issue, right? But again, the other issue is I wouldn't be able to trade because I've got so many onboarding calls with Parker, and that's fine, right? Guys are joining our DeFi mastermind. We're about a month away from me being back in Thailand with Parker, so I can't complain. So I had a plug-in, so I unplugged it, so it must have been that. But yeah, that's the only issue. But we're going to try and make it work anyways. But I need to be careful and mindful of it in an hour time. That's the only thing that's literally putting me off a little bit. But we're going to try and trade around it and see where the market opens. Anybody trading today? Or anybody running some DeFi pools? If you haven't caught, or if anybody has any questions on DeFi, me and Parker dropped this video. This video is fucking sauce. So go on my channel, click on live, watch this video. I broke down the exact framework on how to absolutely print with $30,000 to $50,000 in crypto, even if you have less. And if you have more, you're in a beautiful place to be. But this is the exact framework, and hopefully some guys appreciated this. I know there's a lot of guys there that got a ton of value. This is basically free sauce, bro. And I really hope there was a lot of value in there. I'm going to do a lot more in this. Me and Parker are going to do one on Tuesday as well. But this was really me giving it my all, right? I took a lot of time before this to do a presentation. And I really, really hope a handful of guys took action on this, even with a small percentage of their bag, to just test it out. Because this was really how me and Parker are using our own portfolios, but want to get you guys in here for free. Hopefully soon. Hopefully soon. That's cool, man. Take your time. But this is, I would definitely check this out if you guys have DeFi questions, because I really fucking tried to answer everybody's comment. There was a lot, but that's fucking golden, bro. Fucking DeFi gurus would fucking charge for this, let alone to speak to you kind of one-to-one on the chat. I really, really hope you got something out of that, man. Because if you can read between the lines in that video, it was a fucking fire video, bro. And we will do more of them, so don't worry about that. So XRP has been very weak over the weekend. Okay? It's really at lows since the 4th of January. All right? So that says to me, if XRP can hold the line, there's a lot of money to be made in this kind of area. If it doesn't, and it breaks below that, that's where trades could go very much south. So, although XRP in the 5 minutes, as we know, has got confirmation of green. Can we ride up to here? XRP is looking very tempting for a 5 minute trade on a 1 minute trade. 3 minutes of green as well. 50 minutes, it's still red. I like it. Again, risky trades just because market hasn't opened hours long. on XRP. This is going to be a hold trade. Like I said, you guys probably won't see the close of this trade till maybe after stream, because it's going to depend what the market does when we open. But yeah, might take profits on this. Mm. 2.06. That wouldn't be bad. That'd be about here. I'm not using the stock RSI anymore. So yeah, I took it out. Because I started to trade longer time frame. Bobby convinced me to take out, not to take out the statistic RSI, but I just took it out because I want to now take what I learned in December, which was very much the minute stock RSI, fast. But I wasn't really making as much as I would want, but it was just to learn, right? So I scaled that out, and now I'm just using a GG indicator. I really feel less is more, and that's why I took it out. No audio. Whatever, bro. Whatever. So that's why I took it out. This XRP trade is already starting to fucking print for me. $25 back in Thailand, I would have took that. Why is it strange, bro? Why is it strange? It's not strange. It's about taking stuff away that you didn't really like and still keeping the same bias. It shouldn't be strange. I'm quite confident now on Bitcoin. I'm going to catch an early one there. Again, very fucking risky, but I'm also going to long Bitcoin. And I would like to see 91, maybe a little bit less than 91. Let's just have a look at 91. Okay, XRP trade is starting to print. How much you putting on each trade? Bro, fucking watch the stream, young man. $1,000. I'm doing this live in front of you, but yeah, it's fine. If you want my full framework, it's right here. It's right here. Okay, XRP trade is starting to fucking print. I'm going to take 50% out of this and close. Boom. $30 immediately. And then I'm going to put my stop loss at entry and cover my risk. Hold on. Okay, so risk-free trade already on XRP, guaranteed $30. There you go. Bitcoin trade is starting to go as well. Again, very cautious because we are very fucking close to the open hours. I have about 20 minutes left till I need to jump in this onboarding call. But $30 is $30. Phone screen too small. I mean, get a fucking iPad, bro. No. So again, if you, Kevin, good luck. Join your Discord, bro. Even if you don't want to trade, or even if you fucking don't want to do anything, you can see I give you this for free. Each year, I'm doing what needs to be done, okay? XRP trade is risk-free. Don't worry. Parker, send me the link. I'll be on that call in 20 minutes, okay? You're just fucking me with all these onboarding calls, bro. Don't worry. I'll be on. XRP trade is really fucking starting to rip now. The Bitcoin one, I'm a little bit fucking unshaky about. I'm not going to lie. But we have a guaranteed win on XRP. The Bitcoin one, it's just going to depend. We're going to get a lot of chop until this opening time. That's for sure. But yeah, again, just for guys that want to learn DeFi again, jump in this video, man. Me and Parker just go fucking so deep. And we basically give you everything for free. That's my fucking Happy New Year gift to you guys. Okay, is there anything else that looks interesting? Let me have a look. Ethereum's also looking very good. Just really Bitcoin. If I can get a big sweep on Bitcoin, I will obviously, or not obviously, I will look at long in Ethereum as well on the 5 minutes. If we go back to our XRP trade, a little bit of resistance, but we're still nicely in this long. Again, risk-free trade on XRP. Just for proof, there you go. Again, for the guys that say, what about the fees? Fuck's sake, the fees. Okay, I'm just waiting for Ethereum to do its thing. How's Sui doing? Sui's weak, man. Sui's interesting, man. I'm not took a Sui trade in so fucking long. Just because it hasn't respected anything else. Like, everything gives me solid confirmation, and then Sui, for whatever reason, just does the opposite. So that's why I've not touched Sui in a long time. Sui has to be such a strong confirmation for me to even enter, because it's just going against the curve on pretty much every other coin. Like, every other coin in the 5 minutes. Bitcoin, it's okay. It's kind of sideways, but it's a little bit up. Ethereum, starting to come back up. Solana, same as Bitcoin. XRP is obviously doing well. But Sui just doesn't play ball, man. And that's why I haven't took a Sui trade in so long. Monero ripped yesterday. Do you think it will keep going or drop off? Did it? Let me check. It did. Last 1 week, 32%. Yeah, it's this whole privacy niche, man. Like, these coins are going to do well if this is the hot sector right now. Like, how's Zcash doing? It's probably... it's a little bit down, but it did have a big run-up, if you remember, this massive run-up. But it's starting to find some resistance, and it's still okay. So these privacy coins like Monero, people like. People really fucking like. Have you tried Dodge? Render I definitely won't touch with a fucking 2-foot barbell. Dodge, I tried to look at last stream with Bobby, but I just couldn't get a confirmation. But Dogecoin can be traded pretty much nicely. All right, I literally have 5 minutes and I need to bounce, but I'll keep these trades open. I think my XRP one is going to hit my stop loss, but again, I guaranteed $30 and some change, so that was fine. Bitcoin's probably going sideways. The market is opening in like 40 minutes. So I haven't tried Dogecoin yet, but let's have a look. Just while we're here, we can have a look. Again, 5 minutes, it's just nice confirmation in it, but nothing really much happening. On the minute, it's going to be just nothing. Look at all this chop. This is why I don't like to trade Dogecoin on the 1 minute. Just look, even though you've got confirmation, you're not making any money. Like it's just, right now, it's just nothing's happening right now. For decent trades on like a short-term scalp, there's no chance. 5 minutes is good, solid confirmation. But yeah, you're not going to be doing anything on Dogecoin. All right, my SL was just hit, which is fine. So I guaranteed $30. My Bitcoin trade's about to get heavily wrecked, but we're probably going to chill around this time zone. And then when we get here, that's what we want. That's what we fucking want. So no, I haven't tried Dogecoin. Parker is grilling me. Right, guys, I'm going to have to go. I will be back. Or I will post in the Discord with these trades. XRP guaranteed trades, but I have to bounce because it's onboarding call time. I will see you